Okay, welcome back to an episode. Would you rather have... Oh, no, would you rather eat a whole stack of cheese? Or eat a whole sausage link? Linked together, obviously. You can always email me. I'm kidding, don't email me. But you can leave a comment what you think below. If you have any locations you want me to look at, or suggestions, or want to report the weather, go to ElishaRosick@gmail.com if you want to look at the weather. Okay, Lansing. Lansing is mostly cloudy. I don't know why I did that. Goodness gracious. The one thing I don't like about this laptop, gotta get used of their... What? Yeah, Lansing. Mostly cloudy. Includes Fowlerville, Genoa. And hope, yeah. Well, we can actually take a look at the clouds conveniently right now. So if you take a look at the clouds, right now, currently, it's cloudy all over Michigan, Pontiac, Howell, Lansing, Jackson, Coldwater, Adrian, Kalamazoo, St. Joseph, etc. Anything in Michigan is most likely going to be cloudy. And that's a fun fact of the day. So, come up to Mackinac City. Now, as a reminder, someone did suggest this, so we'll be doing it. Mackinac City, mostly cloudy. Precipitation, 0 tonight. I looked at the radar tonight, and according to the radar, yeah, it appears to be no precipitation. So, I guess that's your fun fact of the day. Not fun fact. Fun fact of the day. Okay, so... What in the world? I don't know what that was about, but... Okay. I'm still getting used to this laptop, because I got it just today. Okay, let's take a look at, down south near Fort Wayne, Greenville, Troy, Dayton, Hamilton, Lebanon, and Cincinnati, and Bethesda, is a giant storm conveniently in this area. Because of this, we may or may not 100% sure, my prediction by the way, experience flooding in some areas, like low roads. Roads that are very low to the ground may experience clouds. Not clouds, I'm sorry. Not clouds. May experience flooding. It's a fun fact of the day. Maybe. The storm all leads to Arkansas, Kansas, going through Kentucky and Mountain Home. As it gets higher, according to the weather report on radar, I look at this radar before I record. Sometimes I don't, but this time I did. Somewhere around a Pacific time, which I forgot the time, the storm will come up and spike. Right there. Spike up. There's a good chance I need a new laptop. Okay. I don't want a new laptop. All I need. Alright, well. Alright, let's take a look at, let's take a look at, Port Charlotte, Florida. Port Charlotte. Let's take a look at Port Charlotte. Always like Port Charlotte because my friend lives there, so. That's why I take a look at Port Charlotte all the time, and that was not a location suggestion. My friend lives there, and I always want to see. So, okay. So, we're gonna take a look. I suppose there's probably no clouds. Port Charlotte, actually. Pretend I didn't say clouds. There is clouds in Florida. Conveniently, right now. If you zoom out, it appears south of Florida, anything that's down south, north, south, is actually having clouds. Yep, I was correct. Anything down south, I'll draw a borderline for you. Anything that's down, oh goodness. Anything that's down this line is cloudy. I can stick like at West Palm Beach, if I can find it. Oh dear. I clicked on a button again, haven't I? Oh, I pushed a button. I did not want to. Okay, well, we're gonna go to, radar. I need a mouse. Now I'm complaining about my laptop. I like my laptop. Either way, I like it. I just complain about it because I get used to it's so big. I'm used to a Chromebook at school. So, West Palm Beach. Where can that be? I think it's down south, right? Is it down south? Yeah, it has to be south. Here's West Palm Beach. Okay, West Palm Beach. Take a look if there are any warnings in effect. Any warnings in effect. I'm gonna keep spamming this button. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, West Palm Beach. Another rip current statement. I'm not gonna tell you what the warnings are, because why not? I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna be like, good luck. What? Any warnings? Just watch a few episodes ago, like 2 to 3 episodes. 2 or 3. I really don't know myself. Okay, rip current statement leads you all the way to Miami, all the way to north, almost near North Key Largo. Starts out Palm Bay, works its way all the way up to Marina Bay, all the way to a small craft advisory. In Brunswick, Erin, Hilton Head Island, in McLeanville. It is so. I cannot pronounce that. Okay. Take a look at over here. We got a dense fog advisory in effect. Remember this: traveling in fog, snow, blizzard is extremely dangerous. My recommendation: don't drive at all. That's actually my recommendation. There's nothing I can do, so just don't drive. If you drive, you're taking a risk. So yeah, that's a recommendation. Just don't drive. Now, if you know there's a car in front of you and you can't see the tail lights, go slow. Speed limit is 50. Go like 40 or 30. Just don't go too slow or you can cause an accident. The slower you go, the safer you are. The faster you go, the less safe you are. I guess that's a fun fact of the day. Your safety fun fact of the day. Especially in Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and South Dakota. It's actually not dense fog advisory. And in California, in Idaho, Logan, Nevada, blah, 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 down the line. Jeez. There are a lot of warnings. Okay. I'm not going to reveal all these warnings. But let's just say California is a big thing called a problem. A big, giant problem. There's nothing I can do. I'm not going to report on anything. Let's just say, in the coast, it's a storm warning, gale warning. Basically means, if you're a person who does not want to get their boat destroyed, just don't go out to sea. You're taking a risk of dying. And then we have winter weather advisory. Well, that's actually shocking. It's in the coast. Not only that, California is warm and hot. But again, if there's a winter weather advisory, there must be snow. Must be. But then I remember one thing. I remember There's a giant cloud conveniently right here that's bringing rain, most likely freezing rain, snow, rain, in sleet, also known as rain mixed with snow. That's interesting. But a person told me when I was showing this to a person, they told me that there's a if there's a low pressure system here, a major low pressure system. I don't know what I just did, but okay. Try it again. Hey, there's like a low pressure system, and if that low pressure system's going at the same course, going this way, it will force the storm going over here. Oh, look at that. Michigan's involved. But that's not the case. I've watched the low pressure system and it goes somewhere else, and another pressure system will take into play. But here's the thing. What happens if the other storm comes to play? That's actually a great question. The storm can shift. Now, the storm can shift at the last minute. Like over here, the storm can shift right here. Its tail of the storm go whoop, hit us. Or nothing would just happen. Nothing would happen. We'll just dissipate or do whatever. Well, we don't know. Oh, we do not know. So we'll be looking into the future of that. We'll be monitoring that storm, including Mackinac City. Remember, any location suggestions, locations you want me to look at, just email me. It will be in the description on the bottom. It's 12 minutes. Okay, I'm recording for 12 minutes, actually. See, I'm hoping I'm limiting my videos 15 minutes long. That's what I tried to do, but I don't like to say. Earthquake information! A major earthquake actually in effect in Mackinac, Canada, the ocean. Am I reading that right? Yeah, I am. So, there's a huge giant earthquake here, conveniently. I don't know how big it is, but hopefully it's not that big. I don't want to. That's why I said I need what's it called again? I even forgot the thing. I don't know why it's not my fingers. I do not want to snap my fingers, but it's okay. Oh yeah, I remember now. Do it, it's fine. A mouse. There you go, it's a mouse. I need a mouse for my computer, because I'm having trouble with this pad. Yeah, so, yeah, if it's just strong enough, it can actually make a tsunami, which is giant waves of water, which can destroy the whole coast of probably Vancouver, maybe Seattle. That's not the case. No, probably not. Probably not. Oh, it's 13 minutes. Okay, when I get to 15 minutes, I'm going to end my video. But before I go, I'm going to actually look at the, sea route for sure. First of all, I want to take a look at this one before I go. This is the last words I'm going to say. The storm, as the low pressure moves, shifts. See what I mean? It shifts. Okay, well. Okay, do you know what? It hit me. We're gonna stop right there. We're gonna stop. I just realized something. It is possible. Let's just say it is possible that the storm from California can move over to Michigan. It is possible. When I'm watching this, could be possible. Hey, guess what? It's probably not gonna snow. It's more likely gonna rain. Oh. Somebody brought this paper here, which I'm going to read in a few moments. Okay, well, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, everybody. Make it a great day and a better day tomorrow.